Okay, so removing a stuck VW T4 transporter oil filter. Anyone who's been in this situation will know, or is in this situation will know, how difficult access is. There is no way you can get to it from the top unless you remove probably the exhaust, and which you see right here on the left hand side, and also the turbo, but I don't think that's going to help you much anyway. But okay, so here we have a stuck one. There's a couple of holes at the bottom, but I'll explain. So these oil filters come with a little hex that's usually stuck on there, and I'm trying to find it. Yeah, here we go. Right, they come with this little thing that's stuck on there. Now you think that's a help. Well, it is if the oil filter's been put on properly. But when I went to do the MOT last year, I said to the mechanic I had an oil filter and oil. I said, would you mind doing me a favour and just do it for me? Thought I'd save myself 10 minutes work. What it's transpired is I've probably been at this for about a couple of hours for sure, on and off. Anyway, I finally cracked it, so I thought I'll post something, and I never posted something, but I'll post something in case someone's got the same situation. And what it is here, I looked at, you can see that the canister's quite a bit crumpled, and the reason is that I bought a draper, and it's a damn good quality tool. It's one of these strap-ons, and you see them used on the internet. This is an exceptionally good quality one. It's about 18 quid on Amazon, and I ordered that and I was trying to use it today, and I saw it starting to crumple. And you can go away at it and keep crumpling, but the problem is that this is so inaccessible that if you really destroy this filter, you're going to have a very hard time getting the top bit out. So I want to keep it intact, and I think that's your mission here, is go slowly, gently, don't rush it, because if you do, you're going to be left with the top bit, and trying to get a hammer or a screwdriver to undo it on here is no way. It's the only way I've seen it done on YouTube. So I also bought, would you believe, a BGS cap, one of these things. It's 93 mil. What is it, 46 sides or 43 sides? I can't remember, but look it up. It's a VW specific tool, and it fits that thing nicely. Now I thought, well, if the strap's not going to do it, that's not going to do it. This will slip. Well, it was the last thing I just tried on, and it managed to budge the filter. Now, there's a reason probably why it budged the filter, and there's a number of things I have been trying on, so I can't point to one specific thing, but it's a number of things you've got to do. First of all, you can see a bit of tape there. That's the hoses. This tape can probably come off, this tape here, and that's just a bit of heat tape, because what I did was I got a heat gun. Very hard to squeeze it in here, and I heated the side of this, and I thought, well, it's not doing much. So what I did, I took to a drill and drilled. Don't try to drill to the side, you'll get a hard bit. Drill to the middle, straight through, and mind you, before I punched the hole to drain all the oil out overnight, so that sat overnight releasing all the oil. Drilled the hole straight through and blew hot air with the air gun, much easier, straight up. Bit of smoke everywhere, so I hope I haven't done anything wrong, but I doubt it. And that did a bit of thing. But as I kept on heating this, what I would do is, I use two products. I use Double D40 because it's got one of those long squirt nozzles, and you can see here, can really reach. What you're trying to reach is, see where the tip of the gun is, right there. You want to get it on there so it can dribble down slowly, and with the heat it'll penetrate. But what I also used, and I would bet my money that's the solution, because I've rebuilt motorcycles before, and whenever I've had a seized bolt, there is absolutely nothing better than a mix of 50% acetone and 50% steering fluid, power steering fluid. Sounds weird, but have a look at it on the internet. It's all over YouTube. It is the best thing, and guess what? It saved me again. Here's my trusty bottle. Squirted that everywhere, squirted up there until it really ran off, and I kept on heating through the bottom hole, squirting up the top again, heating, squirting. Now you have to be patient. You got to be patient, because it'll work eventually, but you got to be patient. And in the end, what did it is this trusty little BGS unit straight in there, It's a 3/8, so you got to really get it on there. Really get it on. 3/8, and all I did was find an adapter, which of course I'm not going to find now while I'm on my back. Here we go. There we go. See, I've got a 3/8 adapter into a 1/2 inch adapter. Stick that in there and slowly undo it. If it won't move and you're putting quite a lot of force, don't worry, just keep on heating the cycle. Keep on the heat cycle. Heat inside, heat the thing, and put that on it. Now, as I said, if you just go forcefully, you're going to destroy that, and try getting anything in this space. You got no chance. But anyway, I hope that helps. I was absolutely over the bloody moon when I did this, and it finally turned. I thought worst case scenario, I'm going to have to pull half this stuff off to just get to this filter if I can. Anyway, I'm posting this because I'm over the moon. Hope it helps someone. Good on you, folks.